These units are made in China and are sold at Rural King stores in the Midwestern part of the USA. Their guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands that are available. The RTWR units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. They feature electronic controls with a remote, but the remote does not sense the room temperature. The units have basic manually operated louvers instead of oscillating louvers, and so they do not do as good of a job of circulating the air throughout the room. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HvacRepairGuy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.